What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can put money on Starpets in your iPhone. All the process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to open up your browser, which should be your Safari browser, and then in the Safari, you just have to go to Google. In the Google, simply search for Starpets GG and then go to Starpets website, which should be starpets.gg. Now, this is how you will see. Here, what you have to do is you just have to select any of the random item to add to your cart. Suppose I want to add this to your cart, I'm just click on this and then I'm just going to click on randomly and then add this to my cart. As you can see, my cart will pop up. Now I've already added these products. Here you have to click on this buy all. After clicking on this buy all, this is what you will see. As you can see, they just told you that you do not have any funds. You have to add new funds. Now, adding the funds means we are adding the money or putting the money into your account. Now, in this case, you just have to select the amount you want to put in, the amount that you'll be paying, and the payment method that you will be using. Suppose you want to use Google Pay, Apple Pay, and all of these you can actually buy using crypto as well. However, you can actually select the Visa or MasterCard and then click on this pay. Now, what it will do is it will open up the payment method, obviously. Here you have to enter your card details and then tap on continue to confirm the purchase. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to put money into your Starbets. Hope you guys find this video helpful.